Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will talk about how to reduce stress and anxiety through mindfulness. Stress and anxiety can be overwhelming and affect our physical and mental health. But by practicing mindfulness, we can learn to manage our stress and anxiety and improve our overall well-being. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of the current moment. It involves paying attention to our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without judgment. Practicing mindfulness allows us to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting caught up. One way to practice mindfulness is through deep breathing exercises. Find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Please take a deep breath through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this exercise for a few minutes, focusing on your breath and letting go of any thoughts or distractions. Another way to practice mindfulness is through body scan meditation. Lie down on a comfortable surface and close your eyes. Start at the top of your head and focus on each part of your body, noticing any sensations or tension. As you move down your body, try to release any tension or tightness you may be feeling. Mindful walking is another excellent way to reduce stress and anxiety. Walking mindfully can help you clear your mind and reduce stress. Find a quiet place to walk and focus on the sensations in your feet and legs as you take each step. Notice the sounds around you and take in your surroundings. Journaling is also an effective way to practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts and feelings. This can help you become more aware of your emotions and thought patterns and help you identify triggers that may be causing stress or anxiety. Finally, mindfulness can also be practiced through mindful eating. Eat slowly and mindfully, without distractions. Take the time to savor each bite of your food and notice the textures and flavors. This can help you become more aware of your body's hunger and fullness cues and can help you make healthier food choices. In summary, mindfulness is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety. By practicing deep breathing, body scan meditation, mindful walking, journaling, and mindful eating, we can become more present and aware of our thoughts and emotions and learn to manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Thanks for watching and remember to take some time for yourself each day to practice mindfulness.